Hey, we're going to show you how easy this is to remove and replace the squeegee blade. But in this case, we're not going to replace the squeegee blade. You know why? Because the opposite top side is brand new. And now you get twice the amount of squeegee blade wear as you would with any other competitor. So we have a patent pending on our special type of fitting that we use here. And so what you do is you just flip these out, flip it over, take these out, and flip them over so you get the opposite side. Now you've got 100% more life than any other squeegee blade out there, and we call it the EasyFlip Squeegee Blade. And it is patent pending how we do the actual fittings and assembly on this. So put it like that. Make sure these engage into the little slots, into these fittings. Put the other side on. Like this. Put the retainer back on. And notice we only have 4 wing nuts, not 8. And the reason is because we have the patent pending little fittings that go in there to support it. Tighten them up. And we have also special nylock that we use for actually making sure that the wing nuts don't just come off. So they've got a special type of patch. It's called a patch to stop the wing nut from loosening up. And you're done.